I am at a rest stop near Metropolis, Illinois, and the reason why it's called Metropolis is right in front of you. Apparently there is a museum. You can see a huge statue of Superman, but I'm not going to bother to go that because it's going to waste too much time. It's a beautiful day here. It's a bit overcast. I haven't really seen the sun today, which kind of fucking sucks. But I'm having a good time. Got my little brochure of Metropolis, Illinois. I'm right about at the very southern tip of Illinois. I'm gonna cross into Kentucky in, I'm not quite sure, maybe an hour. Anyways, this is just a little update. Oh yeah, and I hit a bird. But don't worry, Mom, it didn't wreck the car. Bye.